are calling about the noise.
We thought we were far away out here. But
Well, you are far away, but I mean, people from Osborne Street are calling. Now, there is a noise ordinance. Technically, it doesn't take place until 11. You're on private property, all right? Unless the mall runs you off, I just want to ask you to, to take your neighbors into consideration and, think about what you're doing.
Is there anywhere else we could go? Safe to go? Because
I mean,
like Walmart parking lot, we just get ran off.
Is there somewhere out in the county
right here is
away
well,
from
I don't know
everything?
anything about I don't know about the county. I mean, you know what I'm saying? But even downtown, there's residential areas now. Believe it or not, people that live in the lofts on State Street call about the music that's played in the bars on State Street. So, I mean, you understand. People determine I live here, I should be able to sleep, but people that own a business say I want to play the music because that's what draws people in. So, but anyway, like I said, unless they run you off, I mean, the only thing we can do is ask you to, please, try to keep it down. I mean, when you spend thousands of dollars on stereo equipment, it seems like a waste just to, turn it up just a little bit. I can understand that.
Yeah. Hey, you want to
Can I ask you what's poking out of your pocket that's driving me nuts?
Oh, it's a camera.
Okay. I'm looking at it. Is that like one of those e-cigarettes about this long? What's he got sticking out of his pocket? Okay.
Hey, you want to at least hear it before you go?
No, please. I don't want to be an accessory to a noise disturbance.
Hey, you won't even know what's going on. You can't even. You won't even know.
It's really not bad.
It's not.
The only thing I know is the citizens complain, and that's all I have to go by. I mean,
You're curious though, right?
so,
You gotta at least just like poke
I don't know. You're not the first group of young people that's had loud stereo.
I don't think you. I don't know about this.
I don't think you.
Just at least.
Technology has came a long way
Well, you just listen
since
to it.
I was young and loud, but it's still loud to somebody that can hear it on off. So
Well, can you just like poke your ear in and then we'll leave?
We're impressed. We're impressed just knowing that residents over on the other side of the mall heard.
We really appreciate you guys.
You can just.
whose truck is this?
Yeah.
Whose truck is this?
This is the quiet one.
Is that yours?
The one that said nothing.
I want to know. Tell me true. Is that a stripper pole in the back?
I actually have a stripper pole.
Yeah, we do.
We have them to brace our windshields
I
too.
can imagine. I can imagine.
You really call it a stripper pole already out there. That's what it's called.
All right.
Thanks for being cool with us.
She dances on it.
What do you have to say about that encounter, Crunk?
Seriously, I think he went and hid somewhere.
What do you think about that encounter, Seth?
I was scared, dude. I pissed on myself.
I feel a little.